It's here. Let's go. Ta-da. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Pretty excited for this one because this is probably one of the biggest purchases I've made towards my new drift car, which you guys saw in the last video. If not, then I'll put a link somewhere around here for you to go check that out. This is huge. You might see this and say, oh, why didn't you make your own like in the E30? And the basic answer to that is I had already done it. Now that I've finished making an angle kit, I don't really want to make another one. It was really great to learn about what I needed, the different adjustments that I could make and how it affected the car in a certain way. That was very important to my decision of buying this. It really made it easy for me to go with this after that. Just seeing how much work I needed to put into making an angle kit and doing everything that goes with it is actually not an easy task. This is from Driftworks in the UK. The full S15 Wisefab front. I didn't get the back as well because I don't have that much money, but I think in the long run this is a very sound investment. Okay, so hopefully today what I'm gonna do is I will go through a really quick unboxing and show you what comes with it, all the different parts. I'm just really keen to see what's in this box. I was fighting the urge all day not to open this thing. It came to work and I seen it and I was like, oh my god, it's here. But yeah, I was fighting the urge all day to not open this box up so I could do this opening video tonight, have you guys around to experience it with me, and I don't know, I'm pretty excited to see how this goes. So I think I've waited long enough to open this up. We're gonna get straight into it. Oh my nice. I'm gonna get one take at these. Don't screw this up. No, look at that, it's the right way around as well. Some pamphlets. Invoice. Oh, these must be the instructions for the subframe. Got a sticker for an S15. Two stickers. So more instructions. Yeah, these are definitely the instructions on how to do the steering rack relocation. Hopefully I'll do a video about that, doing it later. Let's get to the good stuff. It's really good. Oh, that's said some little gummy lolly things. I really like Haribos, so Haribos are one of my favorite. Thank you. So this is the rack relocation part. So you need to weld this to your subframe. I've got one sitting right there. But yeah, this is a bit you weld to your subframe. Let's put this aside. Got your tire ends. Right, now this is that little jig I think I read about. You need to use this to line up your subframe or something like that. Got some camber plates. I don't really remember, but I don't think you need to cut strut tops anymore with this new version. This is the V2, by the way, if I didn't mention that before. Control arm, look at that. Bit of kit, isn't it? We can open this up. Awesome. So I think this mounts on to there, something. So there we have it. There's the control arm. And yeah, I think this bolts on either like that or like that. But it looks like it's about 20 mil thick. Very nice. So you get two of those. So that's the second. This is the fun bit. That is where all the magic happens, most of it anyway. That's the knuckle. Look at that. That is a bit of kit right there. Not too sure what that's for. This is your Ackerman adjustment, I think. Let's try and lay these out, shall we? Alright, so that is your steering rack relocation. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this moves your rack forward about 50 mil. That's nuts. you're gonna remove your rack that far forward, you're gonna have to do something about the steering rack itself. So what they have done is they've made one of these, goes onto your steering rack, and then your steering shaft goes into that end. That takes up the difference. That's pretty smart. That's thinking out there. Can't forget these. Oh wow. This side, it's got how tight you should make them. Miles of adjustment. I don't know if you've seen that. Just, you can adjust this to the moon. Far out. I don't know if these will work with my coilovers. I don't know what brands this work with. Like, I probably should have checked that before. Alright, that can go right there. Yeah, so we've got two of those. Now, a little looks good, but how will it drive? My main thing, like, what is this going to feel like? How will this handle? How much can I get this to drive how I want it to drive? So, thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna have some of these Haribo lollies. I don't know if I mentioned this. I actually sold my daily to buy this kit. Yeah, I know, right? Anything to fuel the fire. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. If I buy any more brand new parts, I'll definitely put it on here as some unboxing videos or something like that. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you at the next one.